Hey everyone! Today we're tackling a common issue in FC25, your controller settings reverting back to classic mode after you choose your team. This can be really frustrating, but don't worry, I've got a solution for you. So you've customized your controller settings, you're all set to play, but then you go to choose your team and bam! You're back to the classic keyboard controls. This is because the game sometimes doesn't save your settings properly. Here's how to fix it. Start a friendly game. Open a friendly match, even if it's on classic mode.
Two sides ready to give it their all in what promises to be 90 minutes of end-to-end football.
We're at the magnificent venue that is Old Trafford, Manchester.
Pause the game. Once the game starts, pause it. Change your settings. Now go to your controller settings. First, disable mouse control if you want so. Then, change your keyboard keys to your desired configuration. Save and exit. Save your settings, and once you save it, it's best not to go there again.
And I'm joined by Sue Smith for commentary, and it's all about the Premier League here. It's Manchester United, and they take on Everton.
Save your profile. After exiting the game, go to the main menu and save your profile. This is crucial for the settings to stick. It's that easy. That's it. After following these steps, your controller settings should be saved properly, and you'll be able to play with your customized controls. Let me know if this helped you in the comments below. If you have any other FC25 issues, be sure to let me know and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more FC25 tips and tricks.